Hello you guys, welcome to my channel Urban Locs. It's your girl Kyra and happy 1-year lock anniversary to me. So in today's video we are going to be taking a look. Of course we're going to do a lovely lock close up like always, and as you guys can see we have made some beautiful changes, which I also did record for you guys, so be on the lookout for that part 1 and part 2 of how I got this beautiful color without bleaching my locks and how we got these cute little bouncy curls. Make sure you hit subscribe, of course, if you haven't already.
Y'all know better.
So I just want to do like a nice close-up for you guys, and then we're also going to be doing a combination of all my starter lock updates so you guys can see like a nice little recap of what's been going on. I was gathering up the videos last night and it just made me feel so good to really see all those changes. That's why I always stress to you guys, take pictures, take videos, because you just would never realize the differences that your hair really goes through. It's crazy. So it is very important that you do so. Let's go ahead and get into this beautiful lock close up, you guys. Look, y'all, for real. Look, so beautiful. Y'all, I really cannot believe my hair came out this good. Like, I am shocked.
Hi, we're here, of course, and today is the big day. Okay, I am tired of waiting. I am going to figure this out on my own. It's time to get these locks back, honey.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you some insight on how my journey has been. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you for the next video.